Hello and welcome all the students of Delhi Public School Surat of class 10. Today in the mathematics class we will learn exercise 3.1 linear equation in two variables, the concept. Okay, the question is Aftab tells his daughter 7 years ago I was 7 times as old as you were then. Also 3 years from now I shall be 3 times as old as you will be. Isn't it interesting? Represent this situation algebraically and graphically. Solutions. In such case, first of all, we have to identify the variable. This is the situation of linear equations in two variables. So there are two variables which we need to identify first. Variables are something which are changing. Here, Aftab's age is one variable and daughter's age is second variable. For the convenience, I will take present age means Aftab present age as x and daughter's age as y. Then we have to write the system of two equations to model the situation. Age of Aftab x years, current age, and age of daughter is equal to y years. Okay, now as per the situation given 7 years ago means Aftab was x minus 7. 7 times daughter must be y minus 7. So x minus 7 is equal to 7 into y minus 7. Simplifying the equation, I will get x is minus 7y is equal to minus 49 plus 7. That is x minus 7y is equal to minus 42. This is my equation number 1. We are learning pair of linear equations. So one equation is formed. Now I have to proceed for the second equation. So I have to check for the second condition given, that is 3 years from now. I shall be 3 times as old as. After 3 years, Aftab will be x plus 3 and 3 times daughter will be y plus 3. By simplifying, I will get x plus 3 is equal to 3y plus 9. So, x minus 3y is equal to 9 minus 3, that is x minus 3y is equal to 6. This is my equation number 2. Now this, I have represented the situation in algebraic equation means first part is over. Represent this situation algebraically. So equation 1 and 2 are my algebraic expression of the given situation. Now I will proceed further for graphical representation. Two equations I already have. For graphical representation, first same I have to assign the variables, I have to form the equations. We have to find at least two solutions for each equation. Here I would like to suggest to go for 3 solutions, as by 2 solutions we cannot check whether our solutions are right or wrong. But when 3 solutions are in a line, then I can always say that yes, my solutions are correct. Then I have to locate these solutions on a graph and determine the coordinates of point of intersection. By this way, I will proceed for equation 1. X minus 7y is equal to minus 42. I will take value of x as 0 and find value of y. So 0 minus 7y is minus 42. Then 7y is 42, and in this way y is equal to 42 by 7, that is 6. When x is 0, I am getting y is 6. For second value, again I will take some value for one variable. X is equal to 7. You can take any which is convenient. So 7 minus 7y is minus 42. Then I will get 7 minus 7y is minus 42 minus 7. that is minus 49. And this way I will get y is equal to 7. When x is equal to 7, then I will get y is equal to 7. So, my two solutions are 0, 6. When x is 0, y is 6. And when x is 7, in that case y is equal to also 7. I'll proceed the same for the second equation. For equation number 2, when I will take x is equal to 0, my value of y is 0 minus 3y is equal to 6. This is equal to 3y is equal to 6. So y is equal to minus 2. And if I will take again x is equal to 6, then 6 minus 3y is equal to 6. That is minus 3y is equal to 0. That is y is equal to 0. So my two equations are 0 minus 2 solutions, sorry, and 6, 0. I'll represent this also in the table. X and y's value. When x is 0, corresponding value of y is minus 2. And when x is 6, corresponding value of y is 0. Here again guys, I will tell you, I am showing you two solutions only, but I'll suggest you to go with minimum 3 solutions, because in that case you will never go wrong. You will soon understand why it is like that. Okay, now I am plotting the graph using this solution. Look at this solution on the graph. I have two tables for two lines. When x is 0, y is minus 2, x is 6, y is 0. So the points are shown 0, minus 2 and 6, 0. The second equation solutions are 0, 6 and 7, 7. So now when I will draw a line passing through the two given solutions of the equation, my lines are coming as such. They are passing through this. And these both lines are meeting at a point 42, 12. Green line is my second equation and black line is the first equation. I have represented graphically both the lines, and the common point on the both line is point of intersection, that is minus 42 and 12. So here I have completed the graphical representation of the pair of linear equations also. Guys, by this way, you can solve the further questions of our exercise 3.1, question number 1. So, go ahead. Good luck and goodbye.